Are you ready? Let's begin! Spirit, are you here? It's replying! Were you calling me? It's me, the Glitter Fairy! And you are going to be doing an exciting glitter challenge! So beautiful! The task is to pick up glitter using tweezers. Good luck, girls! I'm way faster than you, Sharon! You should just give up! You wish! I'll win this contest! And the first one to nail the task is Goldie! The next task is to pop a balloon and not get covered in glitter. Whoops! My shoes got covered anyway! Sharon is out! Bye! I have a better plan! I'll hide the balloon in a bag. And… whoa! It worked! I passed the test! Fine, I have a plan too! I'll pop the balloon with a needle. I just need to wait a little. Or not a little. There you go! It worked! The task is complete! Well, what is this? Another task for the challenge? Turn into a troll? Alright, I'm gonna nail this challenge! Looks like this will be enough! Now I'll need these glitter gloves! Cut gloves out of gold glittery fabric. Sew them. Turn right side out. I'll take a sparkly selfie for the challenge. Oh yeah! This selfie is amazing! Sis, do you have any perfume or cologne that's similar to mine? Yeah, take that red bottle. Dip a perfume vial in acrylic polish. Coat with a layer of glitter. Mix the perfume with shimmering makeup pigment. Pour it into the vial. Paint the sprayer gold. Add a bright feather tassel. Smells nice. What? Glitter? Oh no! What have you done? I can't go outside looking like this! I totally forgot about the glitter! So, I need to write an essay. The topic is writer's block. I can't think of anything. I'm gonna listen to music. I hope this helps me a little. Coat a headphone case with acrylic polish. Cover it with glitter. Let it dry. Sometimes music actually works wonders. What a brilliant idea! How didn't I think of it before? A new bath bomb! Can't wait to try it out! Mix 6 tablespoons of baking soda with 4 tablespoons of citric acid and 2 spoons of cornstarch. Divide it into 6 identical parts. Add makeup pigment and glitter to each part. And essential oil. Fill square molds with it. Let it dry. Put white bath bomb mix in a cloud-shaped mold. Put on rainbow squares. Cover with the white mix on top. Press it down. Close with the cap and let it dry. This glitter is so sparkly! Hi! The Glitter Fairy is already here! Let's check the level of glitter in the water. Not acceptable! More glitter! Increase the concentration immediately! What's going on? This is much better! Now this is a glittery bath! What am I supposed to do with all this glitter? Although, it's actually looking pretty great. I need to redo my nails. But how? Of course! By adding glitter! And I already have glitter of all the colors of the rainbow. Looks amazing! I can go. Where's my phone? Oh no! My hand is covered in glitter! Tastes weird.
Oh.
No way! Glitter cookies aren't as tasty as they look. Something is in my ear. Oh, duh! There's glitter there too! I am so tired! I want to get in bed right now! Oh no! The glitter challenge is everywhere! Fine, I'm not giving up! Glitter, watch out! I'm ready! Woohoo! Oh yeah! This is fun! That's even better than a snow angel! What a boring movie! Listen, this is our chance! We need to cover a stranger in glitter! No way! If not now, when? You won! Snowstorm! Is that a joke? Take that! Oh man! The popcorn is ruined! Time to brush my teeth! New toothpaste! I'll try it out! Cut the edge off a toothpaste tube. Clean out the contents. Add edible glitter to 3 colors of toothpaste. Fill 3 pastry bags with the toothpaste. Put them in a bigger pastry bag. Cut the tip off. Evenly fill the tube with it. Seal the edge using parchment paper and a flat iron. Wrap in silver paper. Attach a label. How sparkly! Whoa! My teeth are shining! I love it! I'll leave my books over here. There's Dave! I have a huge crush on him. But I have pimples! I have an idea! I have some rhinestones! There we go! My pimples are gone! Hello! Whoa! You look stunning! See ya! Yes! I'll have a banana. What? It's all covered in glitter! You did this! Admit it! I had nothing to do with that! My tongue! Melted neat chewing gum. Add food coloring to it. And edible glitter. Shape it like a tongue. What's wrong with your tongue? It's all… What? Got you! Was that a prank? Don't be mad! It was hilarious! Alright, I'm done with this contract! What? A meeting in 10 minutes? Again? Shine bright at the meeting? No way! That's not for me! Good afternoon, colleagues! What's with this look? It's so inappropriate! And this suit is absolutely unacceptable! The whole meeting is at risk! Colleagues, relax! I have an idea! Whoa! Now this is much better! Fine. Let's get to work! What do house elves even do? Nothing special. Make people laugh. Achoo! Oh! My beard! It really suits you! You're like a young Santa Claus! Did you like our video? Then comment below if you'd like to try a glitter challenge. And don't forget to give this video a like. Subscribe to our channel and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.